In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can run your Python codes online. The only thing you need is your internet browser. And so to help us do this, we are going to use Google Colab. So Google Colab allows you to write and execute Python codes using your browser. No additional software required. You don't need to install any Python library whatsoever. You have access to free GPUs and it's easy to share your code. So it's very, very cool for you to get started in data science, in Python programming, in machine learning, and other stuffs. So there's the page, the starting page of this tutorial. So I'm going to leave the link also in the description box. So please use that to visit this page. And what is cool about Google Colab is that it allows you to import your own Python codes or write your own Python codes, and even allows you to import Python codes from Google Drive and also from Github. So we are going to explore all these options in this tutorial. So first of all, you need to have a Google account and you need to also log in here. So I've already logged in and that is what you need. So let's start. We can create our own notebook using this function here, new notebook. So once you have it there, you can start typing. So let's load. So here, let's say hello world. So just use this and then just run it. You can run it using this one here. So you click on it and it's going to run for you. And of course, depending on your internet speed, the execution might take a while. And also if you are running it for the first time, it might take a while. But after that, everything runs smoothly. You can add code here. Click on it and you can add your code and execute. So let's type another one here. And then now it will run for us. It's now faster. If you don't want to add code and you want to add a comment or a note, you can use the text button here and then you can write your code here. You can use Markdown language and then it will do it for you. The Markdown language, this one allows you to give smaller font size. You can do it this way. For Markdown language, it's a different video tutorial I'll be making, so just watch out for that. So that's how we do it, by creating your own notebook or your own Python codes. You can rename it here, and I think by default it saves it on Google Drive. I'm not sure with this one, but you can try and then see. So you can just name it hello, and then you can now come to file, and then you can save a copy in your Google Drive. You can also save a copy in GitHub, or you can also download it here. You can download it here, or you can save it if it's already been run on a Google Drive. So download here will allow you to download it. So let's download it here. You can download the notebook or the .py version as well. So let's try both. Download. So hello, I'm saving it on my desktop, the notebook. And you can also save the .py as well here. So let's save all of them here. Good. So let's go and check those files out and then come back here. So these are the files. We had the hello.py and then hello.notebook. So these are the files here that we downloaded. So it's very, very cool to use for your Python programming tasks. Let's go back to the browser and continue from there. So we are done with the first activity, that is to create our own Python scripts and then populate it. So let's close that one and come back here. So we can also import from Google Drive. So when you come to the file here as well, you can go to Open Notebook. And then here you have your recent history and you also have the Google Drive. So let's check the Google Drive first. When you click Google Drive, it allows you to explore all the notebook or Python files in your Google Drive and you can open them. This is what we just created. By default, it has saved it on a Google Drive as well. So there's another one I already had. So you can open existing notebooks in your Google Drive and then Python will still open for you. So there's one that was already in my Google Drive and there's the notebook here. So it makes it very easy to use Python. So here you can add code. Let's see. Hello World 3 and you can print it there. Again, you can download it in your Pi and then the IPyNB formats. So you have all these there for you to do. So there's another way you can run your Python codes using Google Colab. Let's look at the third one, where we import from Github. So go to File again, and then come to Open Notebook. And then here you can come to GitHub. So let's try this experiment here. So click on GitHub, and then we can input our GitHub URL here. So here we can paste our GitHub address. So you paste it here. Let's use this GitHub user here as an example. So once you paste the GitHub link, you can click on the search button here and it will search for repositories for you. So you can now come down here and select a repository that you want to run a notebook from. So search, let's use the machine learning tutorials repository. And then once you have it, if there's a notebook there, you see it here. And there's a notebook here. So you can click on it and then it's going to open for you. So that's how you import Python codes from GitHub. So there's a machine learning tutorial that is also publicly available. You can download them for your exercise. So this is from GitHub. So you can edit and run. Let's run just one of them here. Here you can run and import your libraries. Of course, you might have this warning, but it's fine because it's from GitHub. It's external. So let's run it. So it will run and then you can have your libraries imported and you can run your other codes here as well. This tutorial, we are not going to run the codes here, but just explore whilst you can. I think the original video for this particular notebook can be found here. So you click on this link and then you might be sent to YouTube and watch that video, but that's fine. So this is how we import from GitHub. Now let's try another thing again. Let's go back. Now what we are going to do next is to upload from our local computers. Let's go back and then try that. Okay, we are on this page. So let's say you want to upload a file. You come to File again, and then you come to Upload Notebook. And then you'll be asked to select the notebook file you want to upload. So you click on Browse, and then you have the notebook files here. This one is what we downloaded. So let's try this other one here. This is the machine learning notebook. So click on it and then open, and then it will upload for you and then open as well. So let's wait for it to open. Again, depending on your internet speed, it might take some time, but now it's open. So that's how we also open it here. So we have all the notebook files and then the Python codes available for us to use. So this is very, very cool to get started. And what is also cool is that you have all your data science package libraries already installed, just like how I was running it. So you only need to just run your codes and everything will be done successfully for you. So it's very cool and very interesting and very easy. It makes life easier for you when you're using Python. So we have all these options available for you. So this is where I'll end my tutorial, and I will encourage you to be coming back to watch more of these cool tutorials on my channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.